Hello and welcome to another video with Mr. Brozky, and today I'm here to tell you about my transformation from anime and gamers to software engineer role. Well, for those who don't know who I am, my name is Khabib. I'm a software engineer and a content creator based in Sweden. Anyways, so let's dive into it. My transformation from anime fan to software engineer role. So how did it started all this? Well, back in the day, in my primary school and high school, I was watching animes, playing a lot of games. It was so cool. I had so much fun. My first year when I started at high school, I was watching anime during this lectures. While the teacher was teaching other students, I was sitting there and watching Attack on Titan. It was so fun. But one day I was in another class, design and web development, all this stuff. And if you're an anime fan and you have this experience watching animes, probably use this kind of websites that people used to watch anime on them. And they have this very good qualities and dubs and titles. So I was watching on one of this website called Case Anime. That website went down of some reason. I don't know why. The server didn't work. And I tried to search another website, find another website to watch anime. I couldn't really find a good website, and it was terrifying. I had so boring time, and I started studying, doing some basic, assignments, all this stuff. So at that time, I was like, something clicked in my mind. I was like, can I not like make my own anime website? I can watch it without seeing a lot of ads. So I started painting, started prototyping something, and then tried to like write down some HTML code, and then I got that view on the website. I was like, wow, that's nice, that's my name there. And at the end I managed to build something, some window, some text on it, and pure HTML, a little bit CSS. After a while, like the next week and a couple of days after, when I come back home, I was thinking a little bit about this website and like improve that website and then make it a little bit more fancy. Back in the day when I come home, I also try to find new anime or start playing games, PlayStations, all this stuff. I can see the difference. Now something came in my mind that makes me interesting about it. And then I tried to continue with this website, and I went to the school and asked my teacher. I got some help, and then it didn't work really. So I went to YouTube, watched some tutorials, and then there's some websites, to make it a little bit better. Finally, I managed to make something, at least the kind of a portfolio of putting some anime images scoping from Google on the website. Now I have a website, yeah, something like that. But at the end, I was like, okay, this is cool, but no one can reach my website though. So I was thinking like, how can I do that? Again, I went to my teacher and he explained me like, yeah, you need to publish it. You need to have domain, you need to have a hosting website, whatever. So I was like, okay, I went to Google, searched for help, and I found GitHub, best place where I pushed my static website there. And then it was a website called GoDaddy. I bought a domain and then connected to my GitHub page, and my website was published. Yay! whitesasanime.com. So that was very interesting for me. So that was how I find out web development, programming, coding interesting. So, but after that, high school was finished, and I did some small projects, and I applied for university for computer science program. The first year I went there and studied, and the second year I applied for a job. And I started working in a startup company in Lund, which is not too far from Malmo here in Sweden. So I started working, and I got the opportunity to work there parallel when I study and I work at the same time. So I worked there for 2 years, and then my college was finished. I graduated, and I applied for a real computer science job, or what is it, software engineering job in a government high-level position. It is actually a good position for me, and I've been working there for a couple of years. So that was all my story, and I believe you guys also have different stories, different background. So let me know by writing down the comment down below, and don't forget to like this video and share it with people who may inspire from my story. Of course, there's different ways to become a programmer. It's not only to study in college. So share this with your friends maybe, and hopefully you get inspired from my story, my background, how I went from anime and gamers to software engineer role. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new.